Hey guys, this is Sahil and welcome to this exclusive episode of Weekly Mastermind where we are going to look up at what all we saw in last 3 to 4 weeks of August month as well as what all we can expect in the last week of August month because this particular week and even this particular month itself was slightly interesting and we saw a slight retracement as well. But is this particular retracement like a short correction or is this retracement going to continue further as well? That's what we are going to discuss further into this particular episode. And along with that, we are also going to determine on what are the different trending and tracking stocks and what are the different sectors which we can focus upon. So ensure that you are watching this particular video till the end with full attention and make sure you are taking full notes. So weekly mastermind for 27th of August 2023, where we are going to look up at first market index, what are the current outperforming and underperforming sectors, what are the weekly gainers and losers from last 1 week, what are the current trending as well as tracking stocks and some of the pattern stocks which we have on tracking list since our so many weeks. So market index Nifty down by 0.22 as Sensex is kind of flattish. We have Bank Nifty which has given momentum up by 0.86. We have Midcap 50 which has given very good move as compared to other indices which is up by 1.82. India VIX and USD INR are in control, so which is a good sign for Indian markets. If we look up at the charts of Nifty 50, then you'll be able to see that monthly is above 60, squeeze open on the upside, but red candle, which is not a good sign. On weekly, the best part is that on weekly we are having proper 60 range, and maybe in upcoming week Nifty 50 can take a support at this point of time on weekly time frame, as well as on daily we are having exact at 40 support. So maybe from this point of time we can see like a support zone formation, and this can be like a temporary or sometimes permanent base formation as well. And from this point of time we can expect further momentum on Nifty 50 on the upside. And similar is for Bank Nifty as well. Slightly the condition is weaker where we are having monthly above 60, squeeze open on the upside, but not walk off the band. And red candle for this particular month has already swallowed 2 months red candle. On weekly, we are having a green candle with moving average support, but not breaking out of 60 because right now Bank Nifty is already between 40, 60. And on daily, it is like it is almost between 40, 60 and it has resisted to cross moving average. Let's see how it performs in upcoming week. And even right now, banking stocks are also emerging out. So let's have a look at that as well. So from sector specific, you can see that IT sector is the best performing sector so far in last 1 week, 1.01. Then we have some of the worst performers like energy and pharma. Rest are like kind of flattish itself. Then if we look up at Nifty IT, we are having proper monthly moving average breakout. Weekly is still resisting to cross 60, still resisting to cross the previous trend line resistance, and on daily it has resisted to cross 60. As of now, we will keep this particular sector on our radar, on our watch list. Then we have Nifty Auto, monthly above 60, squeeze open on the upside, red candle. Since last 7 weeks on weekly time frame, it is in a consolidation zone, and on daily as well, it is between 40, 60, almost consolidating with moving average. As of now, Nifty Auto is like out from our tracking list. Then we have Nifty Metal monthly. It has crossed 60, but not in a proper way. On weekly, it is almost taking 60 support, and on daily, it has resisted to cross 60. And even at this point of time, it is forming like lower tops and lower bottoms. But this is not like a fast lower tops and lower bottoms as we are able to see on Nifty and Bank Nifty. So as of now, Nifty Metal can be kept on track based on weekly 60 support. Then we have Nifty FMCG monthly above 60, squeeze open on the upside. On weekly, it has given two indecisive candles continuously at 60 support itself. And on daily, it is not breaking down of that particular base formation as well as RSI 40. So this can be like the strong performing sector for upcoming week as well. But until and unless it does not take support, it will not make sense. Then we have Nifty Energy. Monthly, it has resisted to cross 60. As of now, the long-term trend of this particular sector is not that good. On weekly, it is already above 60, and on daily also, it has resisted to cross 60. As of now, only the medium-term trend is looking good. Otherwise, it is completely in a sideways zone. Then we have Nifty Pharma, monthly all-time high zone. On weekly, it has given slighter retracement since last 3 weeks. On first, we had like an indecisive green candle, then two retracement candles. And on daily, it has freshly broken down of moving average as well as RSI 60. As of now, there is slighter retracement in pharma sector. Then we have Nifty Infra, monthly above 60, squeeze open on the upside, out of the band. Since last 4 weeks, it is giving retracement, and on daily as well, it has resisted to cross 60. And the worst scenario as of now on Nifty Infra for the short-term trend is that it has opened the squeeze on the lower side, which is not a good sign as of now for Nifty Infra because this was the best performing sector in last 1 quarter. Then we have Nifty Realty, monthly above 60, squeeze open on the upside, almost all-time high zone. On weekly, it is giving two indecisive candles like a doji, and then we are having bullish shooting star. And on daily, it is already between 40, 60. As of now, short-term trend of realty sector is not that good. Then we have Nifty Media monthly about to break out of 60, and even we are waiting for proper breakout on Nifty Media. Weekly and daily are already sustaining above 60, and since last 1.5 weeks, it is already in a consolidation zone. So we can keep this sector on our tracking list. Then we have weekly best performers. First, we have IBL Housing Finance up by 10.51, Bajaj Finance up by 5.09. Then we have Axis Bank, GAIL, Asian Paint, Bajaj Finserv, and Hindalco. These are some of the best performing stocks from last 1 week. And some of the worst performing stocks, we have Adani Ports down by 3.51. We have Reliance down by 3.46. We have Zeal. Then we have Sun Pharma, Cipla, M&M, and HDFC Bank. And even looking up at the worst performing stocks, you might also be able to understand that there are a lot of stocks which are almost on the flattest side. There are good number of stocks on the upper side. There are very less number of stocks on the lower side, and there are good number of stocks on the flattest side itself. And at this point of time, there are a lot of stocks which are actually at the base forming 40 support and like a trend line supports as well. And maybe in upcoming week or upcoming month, we can see proper confirmation whether those are going to take 40 support and those particular support like trend line supports, or they are going to break down of it. Then we have some of the trend following stocks which are monthly, weekly, daily above 60. First, we have Sun TV. Monthly, it has freshly broken out of 60. Weekly and daily, it is showing very good volume, squeeze open on the upside. And even in yesterday's video of Technical Saturday series, I have already shared about volatility. So I hope that you are absolutely clear on it. If not, you can definitely go back to that particular video, and even below this particular video or in the suggestions, I'll be definitely posting that particular video so that you can go through that particular session of Bollinger Bands, and you can determine how we can actually understand the volatility of the market. Then we have Escorts monthly, weekly, daily, all are above 60, and on daily time frame, we are having very good buying volume, which is a good sign. Then we have Vsoft monthly. It has already broken out of moving average, broken out of 60. On weekly and daily, it is already above 60, which is a good sign, forming higher tops and higher bottoms. Then we have RBL Bank. Monthly, it is about to break out of 60. On weekly and daily, it is already above 60. But on daily, it is not giving proper breakout. So we will have to wait for further confirmations for volatility and momentum. Then we have Persistent. Monthly, it has taken like a proper 60 support. On weekly, it is about to break out of 60. And on daily also, it has already broken out of 60. So in upcoming week, we can have proper confirmation, and then it can have all-time high zones as well. Then we have some of the tracking stocks which we can track for upcoming week. First, we have Ashok Leyland monthly, weekly, all are above 60, and on daily as well. It was already above 60, but right now it is giving indecisive candles, and you can consider consolidation almost above 60 itself. And on Friday itself, we have seen proper 60 support and moving average support. And from this point of time, if it gives proper green confirmation, then we can definitely execute the trade. And even in few weeks back, weekly mastermind session, I mentioned about Ashok Leyland, which is like a cup pattern stock as well. So we can definitely keep this stock on our tracking list. And once we get confirmation, we can execute the trade based on System 3 Advanced. Then we have Axis Bank monthly above 60, weekly is about to break out of 60 like in a proper way by taking almost moving average support. And on daily, we are having like a resistance of trend line. And once it breaks out, because volume is already increasing on the demand side, so once we have proper confirmation, we can execute the trade into this as well. Then we have Bandhan Bank monthly at the base, weekly is also between 40-60, and on daily it has started showing momentum. And once it breaks out, then this can be like a value buying stock, not a momentum based stock for the sake of investment itself. Then we have BEL monthly, weekly above 60, and on daily it is almost consolidating around 60 itself. Once it breaks out properly, then we can definitely execute the trade based on System 3. Then we have IDFC monthly above 60, weekly above 60, and on daily it has retraced back and it has given exact 60 support. And in upcoming week, we can see like maybe it can take moving average and RSI 60 support, or else it can break down as well. If it takes support, then we can definitely execute the trade based on System 3 Advanced. Then we have some of the cup pattern stocks, which we have already discussed since last so many weeks. First, we have Marathon, with the resolution point was around 333 and current market price around 366. It has already given good momentum. Then we have Velcorp. The resolution point was around 292 and current market price is around 317.80, which is also a very good sign. And right now it is slightly in a consolidation zone, because since last 2 weeks, the market is giving consolidation zones as compared to momentum on the upper side or even on the downside. Then we have NCC, which is like the resolution point was around 141.5 and current market price is around 152, which is also a good sign. And in last 1 week, this particular stock has not given that particular huge move. Right. So these are some of the stocks which we can track, trade, and we can definitely keep those stocks on our radar for upcoming week. And I hope that you have got immense clarity on what are the stocks which we can track, and even not just about the stocks, but even the sector specific as well, in which we can track, trade, and so on. right? So whatever takeaways you are having, ensure that you are posting this particular you are posting below this particular video as well. And looking forward to see you in upcoming video, because from upcoming week I am having this one single thought that I can post one by one stocks analysis, where I'll be doing like a top down approach, because in technical Saturday series I've already discussed about like 5 steps out of 7 step analysis, and this is like a good start which we can start. This is like the good beginning which we can do in order for anybody, those who are about to start off their trading journey, in order to understand on how do we do the analysis. And looking forward to see you in upcoming week with some new initiatives, and looking forward to see you in upcoming technical Saturday series as well as weekly mastermind. Till then, make sure you share your biggest takeaways below this particular video. Till then, live fully, love openly, and make the difference today. I wish you joy and abundance in all you do.